Have you ever heard the phrase, when mopping, you are simply smearing dirt and grease across the floor? Most likely you have, and probably agree. And yet, mopping is the #1 method of cleaning our floors. The fact is, the more you mop, the more dirt and grease buildup you acquire on your floor. That's right, every time you stick your mop into the bucket, you are simply smearing dirty water back onto the floor. As the mop drags across the edge of the tiles, the edge actually scrapes the grease off the mop and into the grout. Here is a prime example of the damage done by mopping. If you add water to this residue, it will look just like your dirty mop bucket. In order to offset the damage done by mopping, you must scrub your floor on a regular basis. To demonstrate the power of the heavyweight, wheel it to a high traffic area. Visually mark off an area about 3 feet by 4 feet and apply a liberal amount of hot water to the area. Of course, using chemicals will quicken the process. With both hands on the pistol grip, shoulders parallel to the pole, simply push and pull in a sweeping motion. Notice the long scrub strokes. This long stroke cuts labor cost almost immediately. As we zoom in and speed up the footage, you will begin to see a black residue rise from the grout. For best results, follow the grout lines while scrubbing. The condition of this floor is common. Believe it or not, this greasy black residue is a direct product of mopping and is responsible for most of your slip and fall accidents. Once your water begins to thicken into a greasy black residue, removing it is a must. The most effective way is by using a standard wet-dry vacuum, which allows you to lift the residue from the floor. Other ways to remove it include a standard push squeegee or a mop. But remember, when using a mop, you are simply smearing the dirt and grease across the floor, so it may take longer to remove. But remember, removing this residue is a must. Now repeat the process in the same area. Wet, scrub, and remove. Usually by the 3rd time, the residue begins to lighten. Repeat the wet, scrub, remove process until you achieve your desired results. When the heavyweight scrubbing procedure produces only clear residue, your floor has been returned to clean and is ready for a daily maintenance program. Once your floor has come back to clean, daily maintenance is a breeze. It's as simple as wet, scrub, and mop.